Milltown, all of my guys having fun trying to climb during the summer, especially when we go and play with all the ladies. Tell them what to stay. Now that we got a little more money to spend, night after night until the weekends, we be planning things for barbecuing, chilling and smoking and drinking and waiting for more friends to come out so that we can go swimming, cannonballs, belly flops. You know what I'm saying? Still reminiscing, thinking about the good times. We can't get so drunk and high, but we made it through the night. So when no hopefuls harassing, turn the volume down after we leave. We can blast the sounds. Well, to all my friends out there, keep it real and don't hate your ears. Every day doing our thing, that's how it goes. Sitting back.